I've also got a list here of some uplifting scents that might help you if you're needing a little boost or some ideas here. So some uplifting scents that we can all use: vanilla, peppermint, citrus, fresh cut grass. Oh, I love the smell of fresh cut grass. Why? Reminds me of summer. Reminds me of spring, reminds me of being outside, reminds me of playing in the lawn as a kid, reminds me of beautiful days. People only cut grass when it's nice out. Pine, cinnamon, lavender, jasmine, the smell of an apple, rosemary, and the smell of lemons. The amount of emotion you're experiencing around a certain event, your senses will link up stronger or quicker. So if you're feeling fun deeply, whatever you smell around you can do that. So sometimes I'll buy my wife one of those little sample tester perfumes when we go on a trip. So it's a new scent. It's a new scent and we're going to a new place. We did this with one of our little getaways a couple years ago. And now when we both smell that scent, we're like, oh, doesn't it remind you of that trip we took? It's fun. It's fun to experiment with, and it's fun to know that we can smell that smell anytime and have that linked up. With all of these essential oils being so big today, I mean, my goodness, you could go to the store, smell through some essential oils, and use that oil as your writing trigger. And you only smell that when you're going to do your writing. You smell it before you start writing and after, like we do these sessions here, and you made progress and it feels so good. Take a whiff of that little essential oil, link it up. Why not? Our brain's already doing this. Whether we use it or not, it's already happening. So we may as well be purposeful about it.